that before. And if they won't leave us alone, then we won't tell a single soul. But we'll go on, go on, go on, go on. This is the perfect time to leave. This is a chance, this time we'll see what our breaking point will be. All we know, but it feels so right. Never go home. And when we reach the ocean's bed, laugh out loud, kissing the wind, say we'll go on. Go on, go on, go on. This is the perfect time to leave. This is the test. This time we'll see what our breaking.
Okay, we've had our meat marinating for a few days now, actually. I'd recommend at least 24 hours in the Ziploc bag. Make sure you get all the air out. I went ahead and just laid out the meat. I try to space the meat out so that the air can flow a little bit better. Any folds that are in the meat, it's going to affect how that meat dries. So you kind of want to lay the meat as flat as you can. And then all we do is just put the trays on. And I'm going to set my meat on medium. Lid on, and I'm gonna have it actually go for about 6 hours like this, and then I'm gonna check it and probably rotate some trays as needed. You'll kind of see which ones are getting a little bit drier, usually the ones on the bottom, so I'll rotate them in about 6 hours, so we'll do that.